kind of feels like our odds for rain right now, Jesse.
Yeah, no joke.
I mean, it just isn't happening.
No, I was just looking back at some of the last year's data. It's remarkable how similar last October and this October are.
Oh, really?
And the reason, now normally that's not remarkable because it's October, right?
Yeah,
right,
pretty predictable.
Last year was extremely warm to start and it was extremely dry. We actually didn't see rain until Halloween morning.
I feel like I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one night we didn't want it to rain. It did rain. Well, the nighttime I think was dry, but the morning was pretty soaked.
So it was kind of weird, and this October is doing the same. We hit 90 degrees again. That's a very warm for this time of the year. 81 is the normal high. The low this morning was a comfortable 63. Outside now it's 88 degrees, so another warm, dry, sunny day. The only difference tomorrow, and tomorrow there will be a difference, is the winds will pick up a little bit. Tomorrow we'll call breezy at times. We'll have winds 10 to 20 with gusts up to 25. That'll bring a concern for some elevated fire danger, which I'll talk about here in a moment. But ragweed is high, juniper is high, elm is moderate on the pollen count. A little bit of cloud cover spilling into western portions of the area from some showers out in areas that should see less rain than us at this point. But you get to Arizona, New Mexico, they're seeing some rain there. We are still dry. And we have drought conditions starting to pop up in our region. We've had them there in the hill country and West Texas out toward Big Bend and then into North Texas. Just some little pockets of moderate drought showing up from Breckenridge and Eastland, Granbury and Cleburne. But as we take a look at lows tonight, again, it's going to be comfortable for sure. Just not as chilly as we would expect to see this time of the year, where the normal low is 59. It'll be 68 degrees tonight in Dallas, 67 Fort Worth, Terrell 66, Athens 67 degrees. Highs tomorrow, 91 in Dallas, 90 in Fort Worth. So yet again, we're not in record territory, but we're certainly not near the norm. We're about 10 degrees warmer than normal, and that's where we'll be for the next 6 days, probably 7, but I'll show you through the end of next work week. Upper 80s, lower 90s, really kind of stuck between 88 and 90 degrees over the next 6 days. Friday, next Friday, that's 11 warmer than normal. Then that following weekend is where we'll be watching for the potential for a cold front to slide into the area. I think the confidence is growing, and I hope it continues to. We're still a week away, but there is at least some sign of some cooler air on the way. 68 tonight. Pleasant temperatures, light winds tomorrow, 90 degrees, mostly sunny, still very warm, will be breezy at times, south winds 10 to 20, gusts occasionally will be as high as 25. So that means areas west, especially west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, will have elevated fire danger because we've been so dry, number one. Winds will pick up a little bit tomorrow. It'll be very warm, and the humidity tomorrow will be really low. So all of those together mean just be very careful if you're doing any burning outside tomorrow. And if you can avoid it, that would be best. Next 7 days, well, pretty consistent. But look at Saturday. See that little 10% that's thrown in there? I hope to up that number as we get a little bit closer. You see the wind shift. Look at the winds, south to north, 10 to 20. That'll be a cold front that comes in here. I don't expect right now a dramatic difference, but something. 10 degrees will feel much better if it gets down to 82 and 80, and lows very possibly in the upper 50s a couple of those nights as we get into the last 10 days of October. And it looks like we'll kind of maintain what I would say is closer to normal temperatures. Rather than 90 degrees, we'll have lower 80s for the most part.